Hot, dry summer day today with temperatures way above average in the mid-90s and still really nice outside right now. Very mild. We've been seeing the wind kind of pick up over the southern sections of the metro area every evening, and that's a trend that continues. Not enough to mix out the bad air. We continue with an air quality alert for Denver for high levels of ground ozone, and then wildfire smoke has prompted air quality alerts in and around the Aspen Acres fire and, of course, the Ferris fire in southwestern Colorado. It's been an interesting month. The average high temperature is 90, and we had a couple of days that were right smack dab at average, a couple that were below average, but we've had 11 days for the month above average, and notice 3 days at 97. We think we'll see the peak of this little mini heat wave on Sunday with a high of 98 or 99. That would be the warmest day of the season, ahead of a big change for next week. There are the averages and records for comparison. Even the overnight low temperature at 63 is trending warmer than usual. Mid-90s in northeastern Colorado and out across the western slope, back to 100 degrees in areas like Grand Junction and Moab. 99 in Vernal today. Outside it is beautiful, but it's very warm. 81 at the airport, but a few degrees milder in downtown Denver. And so that makes 24 days with 90 or better for the season. So we're off and running for possible record warmth this summer. Absolutely. And with the high pressure anchored where it is, the flow around it clockwise, it is starting to pull up some moisture from the south. It's coming up through the desert southwest and into western Colorado. Some of the slower moving storms producing too much rain, and that's creating flooding concerns. So the areas in green are flood advisories. You can see how the moisture is coming up and around the high pressure ridge, and in central Texas, historic flooding, 12 to 16 inches of rain and ongoing until this pattern shifts a bit in the next 48 hours or so. But some of that moisture is also moving up into areas that really need it. We were tracking some slow-moving storms across the western slope today. A couple of flash flood warnings in Mesa County and Chaffee County just because of too much rain in a localized area. The fire managers like the rain, but not the wind and lightning that's coming with these gusty thunderstorms. But this pattern plays out again tomorrow. And Denver and eastern Colorado, high and dry, can't buy a raindrop, but showers will continue to rotate up into the western slope for the next couple of days. So at least some areas of the state are seeing some moisture. We have 50 tonight in Vail and Steamboat, 70s in areas like Grand Junction, mid-60s in Denver and out across Lamar and Springfield, Levita. High temperatures tomorrow, again, very similar to today, anywhere from about 92 to about 96 degrees for northeastern Colorado, warmer south, 80s in the mountains and 90s through the western slope. So watching that wind over the south metro area again tonight, never a good thing when it's this dry. Our low at 66 with fair skies. We start in the mid-60s in the morning and warm to the mid-90s again by the afternoon, kind of like Groundhog Day. Same thing every single day until we get to the weekend. Sunday will be the peak of kind of this string of warm weather days with 98 or 99 degrees. So we put that as a potential weather impact alert ahead of a change in the pattern that will give us cooler weather, highs in the 80s, and a good chance of showers and storms each day next week. So a wonderful weather trend that we've been certainly looking forward to. And the longer range models verifying as well that this tropical flow or monsoon moisture may shift from western Colorado right over Denver. So something to look forward to next week.